back with another great video. Today we're going to talk about a modification I just made to my Glock 27. I told y'all before on this video I almost sold it, and then I believe I showed it I loved it when I applied my vinyl from Rifle Wraps, a great black owned company here in Atlanta, Georgia. So today I'm going to show you how I installed this right here, and this is a clip draw holster. Okay, this is the only time it's okay to say that anything on a firearm is a clip, okay, because some people call this the clip. One thing I wanted to correct is that we see a lot of times in movies, as you saw it was clear and empty, we'll see people just stuff a firearm in their waistband, stuff it there. That's not safe. Do not do it, okay? So I'm going to show you the way to properly do that and maintain safety, okay? So take a look at this clip as I show you just how easy it was to install. I am back. Now the clip draw is not a TIEMONEX product, but I will show you something later on that is a TIEMONEX product that goes hand in hand with this clip draw, okay? So the clip draw, it is super sturdy, okay? As you see, it is not flimsy. It is going to hold in place. So I have a clear and safe handgun there is not a magazine in the chamber nor a round in the chamber, okay? And I have a empty magazine here, okay? So I'm going to simulate putting it into battery. And you will insert your clip draw holster within your waistband just like that. For the first time, first I'm going to place it on my belt where I'm going to draw from, okay? And with my shape, okay, I have like the hourglass figure, okay? I do not carry like flat on my head because it's going to bulge out and look weird. I do not carry at the small of my back because, of course, you know, this Ohio Buckeye, soon to be a Georgia Peach, is going to make it stick out. So the most comfortable place for me to carry is the appendix carry, okay? Now, with this clip draw holster, and it's not really a holster, it's just a clip, you want to make sure that you are safe from negligent discharges as well. Just like with any holster, you make sure to do everything in your power to prevent a negative or a negligent discharge, okay? So with this clip draw holster, many people suggest, including the makers, that you do not carry with one in the chamber, okay? That means that you will slide forward, nothing in the chamber, then insert your loaded magazine, then put it into your waistband, okay? Because when you go to draw, you will go ahead and charge one before you fire, okay? So for this holster, recommended that you do not carry one in the chamber. However, if you do, there's an item here. So I'm showing you have a clear and safe firearm. Let's say, for instance, you wanted to carry one in the chamber. TIEMONEX has this item here, and this is a Kydex trigger cover. And it's a universal cover for Glocks, okay? So that this prevents you from accidentally negligently pulling the trigger, okay? And it takes a lot of force to get this off. Like I could, it's gonna take some force. So how you would use this in conjunction with your clip draw, I'll show you that right now. All right, now what you're gonna do is take your Kydex trigger cover and you're going to give yourself a little bit of slack, okay? Then you're going to take the cord and make a knot, okay? Make a knot right there. Tie it tight. Then I like to go around again and make another knot. Okay, so I have 2 knots. Now what I like to do is go ahead and take the firearm that I want to use. It is clear and empty. I'm going to put the trigger cover on there. Then I'm going to load in the magazine and put a round in the chamber. Then I'm going to take the firearm and secure it to my waistband. In the event that I need to draw, I'm coming out just like that, okay? I'll show you that one more time. I'm going to take a clear and safe firearm, secure my Kydex trigger cover, load a magazine into the firearm, load around into the chamber, secure it in my waistband. In the event that I need to draw, coming out just like that, okay? And I showed you before how you can carry without using the Kydex trigger guard. What you would do is wrap that slide forward, insert your magazine, secure in your waistband, ensuring that you keep your finger off the trigger. When it's time to draw, you're going to come out the holster, wrap one back, there you go, okay? So those are the 2 ways that you can use your clip draw holster with a Kydex trigger cover. And like I said, you can find this at TIEMONEX.com. Right now it is universal for Glocks. I did try another firearm, I believe. What firearm was that? I forget. I believe it was a Springfield and it fit. But yeah, this is just a universal fit for Glocks and a few other with a similar body. One of the advantages to carrying a clip draw is that if you wanted to maintain a really like slim profile when carrying, if you know if bulging and printing is one thing that you're worried about, the clip draw might be something you want to look into. And as you see, the clip is right along the slide, so it doesn't protrude out as much, and you can keep your firearm snugly on your body. Okay, I hope that this tutorial and review was helpful. With this, I am concealed carry all day, every day, so this is one thing that I would add to my holster collection, and that's another video, or I could talk to you about that right now. The holsters I have, of course, I love all of my TIEMONEX holsters, but I have videos on this channel where I still carry holsters from other great companies such as Tactica Defense. I will put their video reviews that I did in the description, and I'm not going to stop buying because I want different options depending on what I'm wearing. Right now the seasons are changing, so you know, I want to wear different clothing options. One thing I can say that's really beneficial of the TIEMONEX Kydex trigger cover is that your firearm along with your clip draw holster is secure to your body. For us ladies who have to take our pants down to use the bathroom, this is very beneficial because I've seen and heard some stories of some women who leave their firearms in the bathroom. So that'll actually be another video. I will go into that and talk about firearm retention, safety, the do's and don'ts, and all that good stuff. And I think that many people will benefit from that. So leave me a comment. What do you want to see? What are your questions? And I will see y'all on the next video. I may even start doing Clubhouse again. People have been telling me to come back so that you can ask your questions in real time. And yeah, we can build together. So I will leave my Clubhouse name, which is just Tieesha Essex. Over on Clubhouse, you can connect me over there, and I will do better at engaging with y'all on a more personal level. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click here, or here to continue watching more great content on this channel. If you haven't done so already, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you on the next upload. Have a great day.